We are going to have our first English tea in Oxford in this cafe. It's a really old one. This cafe was established in 1650. Here has scones and some sandwich. Very good. Oldest pub. It's the first beer in Oxford. At what called a Bear Pub. It's the famous fish and chips. This is a college lunch place. That's the price. Lunch from Lineker College. The total price of these 3 lunches is only about £10. Very inexpensive and very delicious. Very nice place.
University Park.
Yeah, University Park. Having a dinner in a restaurant called Quad. It's in the center of Oxford. Here, special food. It's Indian food. This is a very nice French restaurant. We're going to have a dinner here. Very pretty. French wine.
Oh, but I think part of the reason why
This is the chicken liver.
this is the pate.
Here we ordered some very interesting French food. We're going to visit the bar. Cheers. Cheers. Maybe we are having better food than those guys. Joking, probably they have much better food. Varsity Club. Beautiful terrace. We are enjoying some drinks.